Good morning. This is Bo coming to you from Bo's Greenhouse. This morning we're going to repot some rosemary that I bought at the store. Repotting is very simple and love the smell of rosemary, but what I wanted to talk to you about is the soil that I'm going to use. I went to one of those big stores and bought an off-brand potting mix at a good bargain, and it's good looking, it's dark, and it's got sand and other things in there it makes it a really good potting mix. But I like to go ahead and add some more things to it and kick it up a notch and make it even better. And to that end, the big item that I like to put in there is peat moss. Peat moss holds a lot of moisture, and that's what you want. You want this stuff not to get hard and let the water run right through it, but to actually soak into the soil and be caught by this peat moss, and that holds that moisture. But of course, I also like to add more perlite to it. That helps keep it loose in there and helps drainage, which you do want drainage. And then I get my hands in there. God made us out of the dirt. We're going back to the dirt. Let's go ahead and just anticipate that. But anyway, just get in there and you can start feeling this. You can break up the little parts that are clumps that are in there. Get it all good and mixed up in there. Now, of course, knowing this is a larger round pot, it needs some shards in the bottom for drainage, which I have some right here, which will arrange very quickly. And now then we start adding this modified potting mix. Gently, gently, gently. Keep the little tag. Go around it. Remember, we save containers and reuse them. Notice how the root system on this is pretty good. But let's take it and just gently, very gently, kind of open up that bottom there. Go ahead and get us a hole in there. Finish filling up around it. There we go. Nice repotted plant there. Give it a drink of water. This is going on our back porch outside our breakfast room, where my mother likes to go out and have her morning coffee, and she can water her some herbs and the flowers that I'll be putting out there for you. This is Bo saying sayonara from Bo's Greenhouse. Later, taters.